My name's Adrian Cilia. I'm the building industry consultant for Bentley Software in Southeast Asia, and my main role at Bentley Software is a consultant for the MicroStation and BIM and EcoSim products. I graduated from the architecture school in Melbourne, and then I went on to begin my career initially on the drawing board, of course. This is back in the early 90s, and CAD at that time was certainly an elective and wasn't predominantly being used in the building industry. I found an opportunity there where I was involved in a government tender where they demanded this particular building to be documented in CAD. So it was through a training program, a self-taught, motivation, where I taught myself, and I was firstly introduced to CAD software. And then through my working career, I discovered it's something I was quite passionate about, and I was able to expand on that through further training and discover the world of working in 3D. I was very fortunate to see changes. As I mentioned earlier, I started off on a drawing board, so I was one of the very first users, of CAD. One of the things I did experience initially was the cost behind the software and the hardware, and through time, of course, that came down in cost. So a lot more companies started to deploy CAD. Employment opportunities also increased in the CAD sector. It was my passion that I found myself working with CAD that then drove me on to working with 3D. So it wasn't so much more than of just a drafting tool the way I was using it on a drawing board. I was able to use CAD to appreciate, in my case, architecture, design and form. So it became a fundamental design tool for me. So I expanded from being a draftsman to more of a designer using 3D technology. Recently we've seen another further change with the introduction of BIM technology as well. That's building information modelling. So not only working in 3D models, but also working with intelligent models. And so then these intelligent models, are delivering more intelligent information, not only to the designers and to the contractors, but also for the life cycle to the client. It's programs like the ones offered by AcePLP, the graduate CAD program, that enables graduates to extend on their CAD drafting skills, to not only become CAD draftsmen in the industry, but to become also very experienced CAD designers, to expand their skills, to become efficient designers in the industry. I look back at my experience as well, and it was an opportunity back on the Melbourne Casino project where I was able to take up a training program offered by Bentley, where I first kicked off my career using the MicroStation software. Designers today are very fortunate to be exposed to a huge range of CAD applications, not only from 2D across to 3D to BIM. I look at the excitement now and the dynamics of the software that's been involved in analytical software, where we're using our BIM technology for steel analysis and concrete analysis, in parametric design and visualization also. So right now is a very exciting time to be involved in CAD in general. My advice to the young graduates today is that there's a huge opportunity today to embrace a dynamic range of CAD software, something that I wasn't fortunate enough when I graduated, but today there certainly is. So I would say to young graduates, embrace the technology. It's a very exciting time. There's lots of employment opportunities, and don't be scared to diversify across the different disciplines and learn the various CAD disciplines, and certainly make yourself employable knowing CAD, and certainly more BIM CAD as well.